So I bought some goodies on Temu a while ago for my Insta360 GO 3S, and I haven't gotten around to open them yet, so let's get into it. So let's start with this and see what it is. This is a silicone cover, silicone protective case to protect the Insta360 GO 3S. So let's see how it looks. And I'm recording this video on my Insta360 GO 3S. We've got some stickers. And here's the cover itself. And check this out. This is actually really cool. So firstly, this is where you put the camera. So this will go in like so. I'm not going to do it right now, or maybe I will. Let's see. I just don't want to stop my recording, so I'll be careful. Okay. I'm still recording, so there's the cover. And then once you put the camera in, obviously I'm filming on it so I can't now, then this goes over the camera like that. And then it also has this little cap. Oh no, this doesn't come off. I thought it comes off. But what's cool is this is connected, so you can't lose the camera, and it also has got the strap. So that's a nice little purchase. Definitely going to be using this. Okay, let's see what else we got. We'll go to this. This is called the Pulus or whatever that is, but it's basically for a tripod. And what this does is, check this out. Okay, let's just take the camera out again. Okay, so this just clips to the bottom like so, and then I think you can also secure it with the clips over here. Oh, you got to push, okay, to lock it into place, I think. But then it's got this, so you can attach this to anything. Like I've got this on my bicycle, actually I could put this whole thing in the front if I really wanted to. And you've also got the tripod screw head over here, so that is really cool. You just got to make sure that you properly click it into place like so. So that's really secure now, so that's really cool. Definitely going to be using this if I want to attach this to my tripod or anything like that. Okay, and then over here we've got the Star TRC. This is a multi-aluminium alloy optical glass multi-layer coated UV filter. Just carefully cut this. Okay. Cleaning cloth, and here is the lens which you can screw onto the camera, and this is a UV lens. And I'm definitely going to try that out and see if it makes a difference. There are the threads on that side. Okay, put that away for now. And lastly, we have got some screen protectors. This is for the screen over here. We're going to put these on. So that's it. That's what I bought. Thanks for watching.